Hey guys, it's me again and welcome to Caielle's World of Fun! And today we're opening Cloudees! So here are the things you need. Scissors, I have a warning. If you don't want to use this, you can just ask your mommy or daddy. And also, we're going to need water. So let's take this out. Huh? Why is there a hole? So we have a keychain, so I think it goes in there. And a blind bag. This is why we need the scissors. We need to cut it open. What's this? So fluffy! Is this the tail? Because it looks like what the cloudy characters are wearing. There's nothing. Headphones! Or is this a purse?
Can you show? Can you show it here? Headphones?
Is it headphones?
Yeah, yes.
And we have a sticker. I don't know where the straps go. Shoes! Do they have wings? They're the cute little blue shoes. And it's also transparent. It looks cool. Now let's start opening the Cloudees. Now let's start. So hard. Yeah. There. Is this a warning?
Now what you need to do is
Pour the water.
pour the water.
And then we have to close it. Careful.
After pouring the
Water. And then we have to put the stopper. Like that. Oh, there. Now we have to, after we pour the water and put the cover and plug, now it's time to hold the plug tight. It's because it's time to shake, shake, shake.
how many minutes you have to do it? 1 minute. Okay, you shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Shaky, shaky, shake, 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 shake. I wonder what's inside this. Because when I opened it, there was nothing. Just like a warning, I think.
See? More. More. What should be inside?
I don't know. Maybe the character. Is it done? Is it done? What do you want me to open next time? If you want to choose what I want to open. What you want me to open next time by clicking on the comment. Shaky, shaky, 1 shake, 2 shake, 3 shake, 4 shake. Done? Now it's done.
Okay.
Oh! You see that, guys? I think
Oops.
Oh,
What's that? Oh,
it's
what's
a cloud.
inside?
Is it a cloud? Woo! I got a slot.
Oh, it's lost.
Oh, it feels like a real cloud.
What's that? A slime? Is it a slime?
I don't know. I think they just made it feel like a real cloud. There's my character. I'm gonna free you. Huh? Oh, what's this supposed to be?
It's like magic.
Yeah, it's totally like magic.
What else is inside? Only that one?
I think so. I feel something chunky.
Okay. What is that?
Can't get it. It's too
Oh, it's-
hard.
I think that's where the pole went in.
Oh, maybe. Now let's get the scissors.
Hmm.
We'll cut this slot free. I'm gonna free you.
What should be your name?
I don't know. Comment down below what's her name. Because I don't really know.
Maybe they can help you.
Yeah, maybe. It actually feels like real snow.
Snow or cloud?
Both. I think it's actually slime. Slime that...
Can you show the slot?
I love her too. So cute.
Oh.
Now
And the
let's
tail?
get her.
What is that for?
Oh, I think the fluffy thing is for her tail. I can't put it. I need help.
You try.
Ah! I can't. My hands are too slippery. Ah! I can't put this too hard.
Try harder.
I'm trying harder, but it won't work. I can't put it on. Let's just dress her up. I think she's a rocking slut. She likes rocking. Rock and roll. Where am I supposed to put this?
How about her shoes?
Oh, I think it's a purse.
Oh, not a...
Or maybe she just pulled it.
How about the shoe?
Where's the shoes? Yeah. Put your shoes on. Since she actually came from a cloud, I'm actually gonna name her Cloudy.
Oh, where's the shoes?
I'm gonna... Oh, yeah, I forgot. Get in there. There. Yeah. From here. And now, here's the tail that was attached, and here, I think she's a rock and roll slot, and I choose the name of my slot. I actually wanted to change her name, so I named her Sunny. Because clouds are near the sun. Bye! Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And hit the bell for more videos.